welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we are doing make your own paper. Let's open it up. How do I open this thing? Okay. Whoa, you guys can't believe this. Take out this. Take out this cardboard. Nothing in the cardboard. Okay. 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 Ooh, let's talk about that. Wow, this is crazy. Wait. Oh, we definitely need these. These are little colors too. Yeah. Make the paper. To make the colors for paper. Don't we? Structures? Definitely need a structure for there. Ooh, a paper. Oh, baby. This is how paper is made. Paper. This is everything right here in the box. Okay, you put this on top of this white thing, and then you put the screen on top of this like this, and then you put this inside like that. Now you take your little cup and you fill it to the 2, 5, and 0, and you take your poop and you put it in here. It's there. Okay, now you flatten it down. You pour your water carefully into the 250. Now you pour your water and then you add your color and then you stir it with your spatula. Is that my color? Just a couple of drops. Super pink. This paper's gonna be super pink. Get on that side. Sew it until it's nice and thick like this, and then make sure your screen is on this little tray, and then you pour this on the screen. Make sure you get through all the corners and all the edges like I'm doing. Okay, it's all done. You put your screen on like this. Now put the purple on. And now put the white on. My hands are so messy. Again. Okay. Okay, you roll it, and then you take off this white, and then you take off this purple tray. So you take off this white thing. Now let's take off this purple thing. Try to get this thing out. I might even get this thing out. Okay, okay. It's good. You guys gonna see it first. Okay, take this out. This is what it looks like so far. Now it just needs to dry. So we let it sit for overnight and I'll show you guys the paper. It's right. This is the paper. It's really pink and it's like really thick. It's like really thick. But let's start drawing on it. Nice work. Guys, and when you guys draw on this, it might be a little bumpy as I saw it. Look, my name. It feels a little bumpy. And like when you write on it, it's bumpy. And it's not like regular paper. It's really cool. I made it myself. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.